Hello everybody, it's Creative Redundancy back again, known as CR. Watch this little bird traverse between some plants and a fence. You can see it climb the fence. It's very interesting to see this slowed down and see a little bit more detail behind this kind of action that this little bird can take. Now eventually this little bird made it out. So, I hope you enjoyed this. As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one can help someone out there. Take care, people, and it's peace out from CR. Later.